In a world where uncertainty is the norm, readiness for the unforeseen comes out as a vital requirement. Whether bracing for natural disasters, emergencies, or sudden twists of fate, possessing the appropriate survival gear becomes pivotal. In this video, we look into a compilation of survival essentials that will keep you safe in the wilderness. Stay tuned and discover what could make a world of difference in your preparedness journey. Now let's check out the SunJack Backpacker solar panels. Available in 60 watts, 25 watts, and 15 watts, SunJack provides the ultimate charging solution users need. This gadget includes carabiners to hang onto your backpack. Designed for off-grid use, the ETFE-coated panels are incredibly durable and are also weather, shock, and water resistant. On top of that, the exterior ETFE coating makes it thermal stress resistant and has total UV ray permeability. You can charge phones, tablets, or laptops depending on the model you choose. Unpredicted emergencies may arise when survivalists go outdoors. But luckily, we have Medzi. This next-generation rescue and first aid kit is designed based on the knowledge and experience of professional travelers, doctors, rescuers, and survival experts. It comes in 3 case sections: top, middle, and bottom. With 5 compartments, the top section has the space to keep instruments, bandages, medicines, and so on. The middle section holds bigger medical tools like tapes and pipes. And lastly, the bottom case includes cables, a jump starter, and a lightweight pouch that comes in handy in multiple situations. Next up, we have the Pulsar-Merger LRF XP50 thermal imaging binoculars. Equipped with a high-definition thermal imaging sensor, these binoculars give you a clear visualization that ensures reliable identification of the target. Plus, it's powered by 2 independent batteries that enable it to run for up to 10 hours continuously on a full charge. And the IPX7 rating enables it to operate flawlessly, even after submersing the gadget for 30 minutes underwater. In addition, the built-in laser rangefinder allows you to measure distances with an accuracy of 1 meter. This can definitely be useful in situations like hunting, where accuracy matters. Want to go on a thrilling adventure but fear it might get too risky? Here's the Oh Boy, a satellite rescue watch that'll be a perfect ally in all your extreme adventures. It only has 1 button and is the only one you need to save your life. Just a single press will trigger satellite communication and inform rescuers of your location. So now you can get out and go further with Oh Boy. Now this is the Compact Ranger Survival Bow from Survival Archery Systems. It can save your life in dire situations. Whether you need to hunt food for survival or take down a predator, be sure to carry this bow. It is designed to fit inside your backpack and requires no tools to set up or maintain. This bow also accepts sights and quivers. Plus, for added convenience, it stores takedown arrows inside the riser. The Compact Ranger Survival Bow is made of durable materials that are corrosion and weather resistant. The ProCampTech Fast Fire Stick is a survival fire-starting tinder that will light from flint sparks, ferro rods, matches, lighters, and more. It is a compressed cotton-based tinder infused with a special waxed solution. Don't worry, it's safe and non-toxic. The entire product can be used as a tinder, even the wrapper. And the unique combination of materials makes Fast Fire Stick the most rapidly igniting tinder available on the market. It's in the perfect shape and size for fire kits, emergency kits, or bug-out bags, and you can keep it stored for decades, wrapped or unwrapped. Have extra peace of mind for your next adventure with ZipStitch, a surgical quality wound closure strip. It is hypoallergenic, non-invasive, and easy to use. These 1.5-inch strips have a hydrocolloid pressure-sensitive adhesive made to last for up to 2 weeks when placed on your skin. Plus, it has 4 zip ties made of medical-grade polymer material that connect the 2 adhesives with a patented locking mechanism. So now, even if you're out of hospital range, you can close that wound in seconds with Zip Stitch. The next survival gadget on our list is the P-Rose. In terms of look, you might assume it's just a regular flashlight, but it performs way beyond that. It features a 1000 lumen LED flashlight with 3 adjustable settings to light your way at night. Additionally, it comes with a 3400 mAh battery along with 2 USB ports. And the coolest part is that it can be recharged from 3 sources, including water, wind, and car. Not quite yet. P-Rose also features a weatherproof fire starter to ignite fire anytime, anywhere. Overall, combining all the features and benefits in its compact size, P-Rose is the perfect tool for survivalists. For a survivalist, paracords are essential for fishing, igniting a fire, tying things up, and so on. These situations call for the Titan Survivor Cord. Woven in a trilobite weave pattern, it's equipped with 11 feet of Titan's durable patented cords. When unwinded and cut open, you can access the cord's multiple strands of life-saving materials, including a fishing line, snare wire, and waxed jute fiber. For a convenient fit, it also includes an extra fastener. On the other hand, it can be disassembled quickly in less than 3 minutes during emergencies. Now we have the Guard Dog Security Pro Shield Pro, a sophisticated bulletproof backpack to provide you with the ultimate security. It comes with over 20 pockets and compartments, including quick access front pockets. Also, this ergonomic back is designed for premium airflow to prevent sweat and discomfort. Aside from that, it includes an RFID compartment to protect your identification and valuable information. Above all, the backpack is tested and certified against Level 3A standards to keep you safe from any unwanted scenarios. Here's the Lockhart Trip Alarm, an automatic trip alarm system that will keep you safe from predators. This tiny device deploys automatically when rigged and can also be fired manually. Simply insert a compatible flare or bear banger, pull down the attached pull ring, and release. When setting up a safe perimeter, connect the tripwire at the appropriate height for animals you wish to be alerted of. Now you can camp without worries knowing your area is secure. And if it becomes compromised, you will be notified instantly. Besides, you can manually launch a flare to call for help if you get lost or hurt while hiking. Incorporating the highest quality craftsmanship and premium materials, the Combar Pro is a survival tool that combines 5 essential items into one unique design. This one tool can act as an axe, spade, hammer, knife, and saw. It has a modular design and is made of durable materials. There is a drop point knife and saw blade inside the handle for cutting through wood or other material. In hatchet mode, it can come in handy for chopping up tougher items. The spade can be used for digging and hoeing soil, sand, or snow, while the hammerhead will help in nailing down tent stakes. The Wazoo Cash Belt is a unique accessory that will allow you to carry and conceal various survival items. It has a 2-layer design, which allows you to store necessary items in between. Pretty cool, right? There's a compartment for storing money so you won't have to carry a wallet. This belt comes with a keychain, compass, whistle, some safety pins and hooks, fishing line, wires, a knife, flashlight, and much more. You can carry all of these while keeping your hands and pockets free. The Zippo FireFast is a fire torch that delivers power and performance when you need to quickly start a fire. This durable torch has a patented ignition that lights up easily and burns strong. There's a slider with which you can control the flame. Now that's convenient. And with this adjustable soft yellow and blue flame torch, you can effortlessly start a fire, heat your marshmallows, melt cheese, or thaw frozen meat. It provides high-precision heat flame, and when out of fuel, you can fill it up with butane to keep on using it over and over. Water is essential for survival. So what should one do if there is no clean water nearby? Meet the Lightwater, an essential gadget that will free you from the worries of distasteful and harmful outdoor water. You can now easily purify untreated water. All you have to do is press its purifying button twice, and the water will be filtered automatically. And because Lightwater is so portable and versatile, it can be used to purify water from nearby streams, puddles, ponds, or lakes. Here's the Cold Steel SRK, a sharp and dangerous knife designed to give you the advantage you'll need in any survival situation. It has a 6-inch blade made from SK5 stainless steel, which can easily cut through the most rigid materials. The Black Tough X finishing on the blade prevents corrosion and reduces friction while cutting, so you can get a perfect cut in any situation. Plus, the Cray X handle has a textured finish that improves ergonomic comfort and provides a secure grip. And let's not forget, it also comes with a Secure X sheath that will allow you to carry it safely wherever you go. The Slide Belt's Survival Belt is one of the best multi-purpose gadgets for survival. With a classic look, this belt is made from top-quality materials to ensure reliability and durability. And the buckle comes in 2 material options: stainless steel or sleek matte black, providing industrial strength protection. Unlike other belts, the Survival Belt has no holes and fits easily, regardless of your waist size. You can use it to open a bottle cap, start a fire, or carry a woodpile along the path. The capabilities are limitless. Meet the Garmin Montana 700i, a rugged GPS touchscreen navigator that comes with a bright WVGA transflective, dual orientation display. It has advanced navigation sensors that'll allow you to navigate trails by elevating data and monitoring weather. Also, the multi-GNSS support enables Montana 700i to track in more challenging environments where GPS is not reachable. Plus, the SOS feature with 24/7 access to professional global monitoring and response center saves you during emergencies. Lastly, the InReach technology lets you send text messages, post on social media, or communicate with any InReach device nearby. The Slide Belt's Survival Belt is one of the best multi-purpose gadgets for survival. With a classic look, this belt is made from top-quality materials to ensure reliability and durability. And the buckle comes in 2 material options: stainless steel or sleek matte black, providing industrial strength protection. Unlike other belts, the Survival Belt has no holes and fits easily, regardless of your waist size. You can use it to open a bottle cap, start a fire, or carry a woodpile along the path. The capabilities are limitless. Meet the Garmin Montana 700i, a rugged GPS touchscreen navigator that comes with a bright WVGA transflective, dual orientation display. It has advanced navigation sensors that'll allow you to navigate trails by elevating data and monitoring weather. Also, the multi-GNSS support enables Montana 700i to track in more challenging environments where GPS is not reachable. Plus, the SOS feature with 24/7 access to professional global monitoring and response center saves you during emergencies. Lastly, the InReach technology lets you send text messages, post on social media, or communicate with any InReach device nearby.